Hello everybody, welcome back to another review. And today I'm reviewing BetterPic, an AI tool that promises to generate professional and high quality headshot in just minutes. If you're too tired of spending too much time on, traditional photo shoots, this might be perfect solution for you. So as you can see here, we're here in BetterPic, and BetterPic uses AI to turn your casual selfies into 4K studio quality headshots. The process is straightforward, so you just upload, 6 to 9 selfies, select over 150 styles, then let the AI, do its thing, and get your headshot in like 25 minutes. What Better Pick stands out is its customization. You can adjust, everything: outfits, background, skin tones, eye colors, and even facial expression. Plus, the AI style builder helps match your headshot to your profession, so ensuring the results look polished and professional. So it can have styles like LinkedIn and Tinder and other stuff like that. So you can pick this AI style that you want, and it will generate that headshot to that corresponding style. So if you're looking for that extra touch, BetterPic also offers a human edit feature. This lets a real person refine your favorite headshot to top-notch quality, perfect if you're aiming for perfection. And who is this for? It's ideal for, yeah, as I said, LinkedIn profile pictures, resume, and cover letters, business, websites, and about pages, and even marketing materials or social media profiles. With a full commercial license included, you can use your headshots whenever you need. So let's talk about pricing right here. As you see here, here's the pricing. There's no free trial. That's the downside about this. There's no free trial. BetterPick is still much cheaper than a photo shoot, depending on where you live. But yeah, it's cheaper. Then the basic plan may take up 2 hours, but premium options deliver in under an hour. Either way, it's faster, more convenient, and more affordable than booking a photographer. So as you can see here, there's some results. It's in the homepage, so I can't really get results on my own testing, but they have a example here. Actually, you can see here's the selfie and here's the AI. It looks really, really good. It doesn't look AI generated enough. It looks very, very normal and casual, as you can see here. Look at these examples. It looks very, very nice. It's a little bit too much though, not gonna lie. But it works. It looks really good. Then to summarize, the pros and cons of Better Pick is it's fast, it's affordable, highly customizable, commercial license included, and human edit for refined results. So you have an actual person edit your pictures if you want, more refined. Better Pick worth it, absolutely. If you need professional headshots quickly and don't want to break the bank, Better Pick is a fantastic option. So you give it a try. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this one. And I'll see you on the next one.